All right, push the button. Push the other button.
Good, Levi. Blew up. Good, Levi. Uh-oh. They keep going up. They're after your weak spot. Oh, look, more.
Push the button.
No cursing. Uh-oh. Which one do you have to push now? Which one?
The white one or the red one?
White one or red one? You want the white one or the red one?
Red.
There we go. Okay, now this one. Yeah, good, Levi. Keep going, Levi. Keep going, keep going.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat went bye-bye.